Hi friends, I am Nitansh and I am at Gioni's event in China where the brand is unveiling its latest smartphones in the Marathon series. The Marathon series is known for battery-centric smartphones and the latest offerings in the series, the M6 and M6 Plus also boast the similar highlight that you get impressive battery life. The one I am holding right now is the Gioni M6 Plus, which is the bigger sibling to the M6. The M6 hands-on we recently did, and I told you that it offers good specifications, and the only difference between the M6 and M6 Plus is the screen size, which in this case is large 6 inches, while in case of M6 it was 5.5 inches. Also the M6 Plus features bigger battery capacity of 6020 mAh rather than 5000 mAh available in the M6. So in a way M6 Plus can be considered as a successor to the M5 Plus, which also features a 6-inch display, and it's built around the metallic unibody design which feels really good in hand, and as you can see the gold color also looks really classy and premium. It's interesting that even though the screen size is 6 inches, you can easily hold it in hands, and obviously it will be difficult to reach any corner of the screen, but still you can use it single-handedly for basic tasks apart from typing. Other design elements remain the same, as you can see, in terms of button and port placement. And at the back you get slight curve which offers ergonomic comfort while handling the device. And camera jets out very slightly, which is really admirable. And below it you get a secondary microphone along with dual LED flash. Talking about the display, the 6-inch display bears a resolution of 1920 into 1080 pixels, and as you can see it looks really good. It's very sharp and there is no complaint about colors or viewing angles either. Brightness isn't an issue either, as you can see. As with most Gioni smartphones, you get customized version of Android, which is Amigo OS, and in this case it's based on Android 6.0 Marshmallow. You get usual customized features. Since this is a Chinese unit, there are a lot of pre-installed apps for Chinese markets such as Baidu, VIP.com and the likes, and we believe that the unit commercially selling in India would have different apps, although features like private space, business space and the likes should be available in the international unit as well. In terms of core hardware, the Gioni M6 Plus has a Helio P10 processor, which is an octa-core CPU. Although it's a mid-range processor and not a flagship chipset, and it's coupled with 4 gigs of RAM. Yes, 4 gigs of RAM is pretty interesting, and we believe that the device should be able to handle anything thrown at it. Of course, we will wait till the time we review the device to give you a comprehensive overview of the smartphone. Let's take a quick look at the camera UI. It's standard UI. You can see you are able to click photos, face beauty mode, videos. Card scanning is a nice feature. There are various settings available as well as effects like night, panorama, smart scan. GIF animation is pretty interesting. So the focus of the smartphone is very fast and shows the shutter speed. Let's take a quick look at the pictures. It seems pretty good, however we will reserve our comments till the time we are able to review the smartphone. You won't really be complaining in terms of storage of the smartphone, as it comes with 64 GB of storage, although there would be another variant which will offer 128 GB of memory inbuilt. It also supports micro SD card for further storage expansion. Here you will also find various other software features such as smart gestures, voice control, suspended option and others. The dual SIM smartphone supports 4G LTE and various other connectivity options including Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, GPS. The 6020 mAh battery is definitely the highlight of the Gioni M6 Plus, and we believe that it will surely be able to last about 2 days with moderate usage. We will surely have more on the smartphone and its capabilities, be it its camera performance or hardware metal when we review the device. Till the time, stay tuned. This is Nitanj signing off. Thanks for watching.